By the title of this vlog, you'll know what's going on. I lost my camera just now. Don't ask me how. So what happened was I was filming on the train. Put the camera in my pouch, this pouch that I keep the camera in. Got off the train and was ready to film because I met up with one of my auntie. So I was taking out the camera saying, okay, auntie's about to come, so I'll catch her moment when she arrives. No camera.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good afternoon and good night. Say good morning, Faves. Tell us, say good morning, Faves.
One.
Hey, and the metro is coming loud and proud. It's so noisy. You going in this one? We're jumping on the metro right now. We are in New York City. Here we go. Oh, just clean. AC's on. Seat beside Papa, go over. So you guys, we're in the metro heading this morning to the Children's Museum, which looks pretty good on Google. So that's what we're doing right now. Also, I'll be meeting up with one of my aunties by my dad's side. So it will be the first time you guys meeting a family member by my dad's side. So that's pretty exciting. I've met this auntie once, but we've stayed connected throughout the years. I met her when I was pregnant with Tyler and visited New York. How many years ago? 7 years ago. So I'm gonna see her today. Once I'm in the area, I always message her. Yes. This number tell you down. It means I don't know what it means, right? I don't remember what it means right now. This one up?
Yes, I can see. It's the time that you use the camera.
Yes. Anyway, you guys, so that's where we're heading right now. So hopefully you guys have a good day. Make sure you guys enjoy today's vlog. Also subscribe if you're new to the fam bam and give this video a thumbs up. It's fun, keep up, and we'll see you guys for the rest of the day. Look at him, tired. You're tired? You wanna sleep?
How many? How many?
Today? I don't know. Anyway guys, we'll see you guys when it's not so noisy and we're off the metro. So talk to you guys later. Okay, you guys, let's do this again. Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon, and good night. So I already started the vlog. You guys, by the title of this vlog, you'll know what's going on. I lost my camera just now. Don't ask me how. So what happened was I was filming on the train. Put the camera in my pouch, this pouch that I keep the camera in. Got off the train and was ready to film because I met up with one of my auntie. So I was taking out the camera saying, okay, auntie's about to come, so I'll catch her moment when she arrives. No camera. No camera. Don't ask me how the camera vanished. But I don't have my camera. With all my footages, babe and I went on a date last night. All that is gone. All those footages vanish. So I'm not even gonna fuss about it because it's already gone. There's nothing I can do. I do have an explanation to how it's gone. But anyway, we are at the children's place and I'm filming with my phone because I still have to vlog. So I'm gonna let you guys see the kids and meet my auntie and stuff like that. So they're here playing. Come auntie, say hello. Hello. So this is my auntie and this is my auntie by my dad's side. So let me see if you guys gonna say I look like her, or you guys still gonna think that I look like my auntie by my mother's side, because I went to my auntie in Boston and everybody say you look like Auntie Jenny. So this is my auntie. And Tai Tai is here. Tyler, say hello to the faves. Let me go find Sarah. Say hello.
Hello.
Let's go find Sarah. Sarah is living her best life. Look at you. Look. Say hello. Sarah. Sarah, say hi. Sarah, look at Mama. Say hello. Sarah, look. Hey. Princess, say hello. She's not saying hello, but she's inside this ambulance. So the children's place is in Manhattan. So we took the train here. I'll give you guys a more lowdown later, but I'm just gonna try and enjoy the day. I also have another friend that I'm meeting up with later in the evening. Tyler, look. That I'm meeting up with later. So Auntie and I here spending some time before she head off to work. So I'm just going to forget about the camera for a bit and just enjoy the moment with my auntie until we leave this place. So I'll see you guys later. The Children's Museum is pretty cool. Sarah!
Whoa.
Down the slide. Ty! Ty, do you see this one with the ball? You put the ball down the thing and it follows the line. So Sarah have one of the ball. Sarah, go up on the step. This step. Here. Go up. Here. Go up. Come, step. Go up. Up. Wait.
You could not listen. You guys each have a ball.
Thank you. You have to put it here. Go up. Missed. Missed. You're gonna make it longer? Wow. Down the slide. Yay. Babe and Auntie chit-chatting over there. So the kids having fun at the museum. Go, Sarah, go with Tai. Go up. Go! Yay! Sarah, slide. Wee! So Tai, I want ingredients for a smoothie. So like 1 banana. Sarah, what you're selling? 1 orange. Sarah, Mama wants a potato, and I want a pear, Tai, a pear. My kids in the fruit cart. They're selling fruit. Wow, this smoothie is gonna be so yummy. Yum numbers. Oh, I can't hold anymore. Thank you, gorgeous. You're so cute. My hand's full. Give it to Mama. Thank you. Okay, bye-bye. You're gonna make my stomach too full. See you later. I'll send customers your way. You guys, you had no idea the unthinkable happened. So I was telling you guys this morning that my camera lost. I lost my camera on the train, and I was literally having a panic attack. I was just shaking because I have so many footages on my camera, especially the first date with Babe and I from last night. And not just that, you guys know that this is my work, you know? And I was wondering that. I was saying that my camera is gone. And I got an email on my phone and on my Instagram. Someone found my camera on the train, have my camera and want to return it. Like, this rarely happens. I got teary-eyed, I teared up, and so I'm going to meet the person right now to get my camera back. I don't think this person have an idea of how much this means to me. And I hope you'll watch this and see how much I appreciate you being honest and returning my camera. I owe you my entire world. Thank you so much. I appreciate this more than you know it. Anyway, you guys, I am heading right now to meet the person and pick my camera up, so I'll catch you guys later. Okay, you guys, this is my angel for today. Isaac, say hello. He's
Hi,
so
everybody.
tall. Thank you so much.
Of course.
Continue being awesome.
Thank you.
A lot of people like you, not in this world, unfortunately, but I'm happy that you were the one that found my camera. Thank you so much.
No problem.
Thank you. Have a good day, huh?
Good day. Also, I'm a fellow Jamaican.
Guys, we're back. I got my camera back. So Isaac just told me when I turned off the camera that his family is Jamaican. This is just, as my brother always says, the universe. And if this is not the universe, then I don't know what is. He is Jamaican. He found my camera. He returned it. That's just amazing. Isaac, thank you. I can't thank you enough again. And I'm just happy that I got my camera back. So we're back. We're back. We're back. Anyway, you guys, the day continues back on a happy note. Before I go any further, you guys, I have to come on to give you guys a little backstory. So when Isaac and I talked about it, of how he found my camera, I sat and I backtracked about what happened within that moment, because literally my head was just so blurred within the moment of losing the camera. I just didn't have any idea of how the camera was lost. So what happened was, when I was in the train, we were sitting at a section where there were 3 seats. So there was me sitting at the one to the door, there was Tyler in the middle, Babe at the end, and Sarah sitting in her stroller in front of Babe. So our bag is always on the back of Sarah's stroller. So at this moment, I was actually vlogging. I just finished up vlogging, and I wanted to turn off the camera and put it up in my pouch. But something happened and Sarah's stroller flipped backwards, which means Sarah was literally upside down. So my panicking trying to flip back the stroller the correct way in getting Sarah straight, my panicking trying to fix Sarah properly, seemed that I didn't put the camera in the pouch at the moment. I put the camera on the floor. Well, that's my theory. Put the camera on the floor, flip back Sarah up, and leave the camera right there. Because I asked Isaac, where did he find the camera? And he said he found the camera like under my seat. And it only makes sense that that's what happened within that moment. But in my head, I had put the camera in the pouch before I flipped Sarah up. But obviously I didn't, because when I got out of the train, my pouch was still closed. You see what I mean? So there's no way that listen, I just panicked within that moment trying to take care of Sarah and left the camera on the floor. So thank God where the camera was is like he was standing in front of me. So the minute I got up and get out of the train, he could see the camera within his view, and I'm just happy that he was the one who found my camera and he kept it. Everything was intact. My memory card was in, battery was in, all the footage was on it. Everything was the exact same way I left it, and I cannot thank Isaac enough. Thank you again, Isaac. This means so much to me, and I appreciate you for returning my camera. Thank you. So that's the backstory, guys. Now let's enjoy the rest of today's vlog. I think I was gonna tell the same thing too. Okay, so now that I got my camera back, we are going to stop to eat, because I know I wouldn't be able to eat if I didn't get my camera back all day. I would just stress. Hi, put your shoe. Why you take your shoe off? So we're gonna get some food. You guys know that I love street food, so I'm gonna get a hot dog for Tyler and Sarah, and then I'm going to get Philly cheesesteak for Babe and I.
But this time is not the same that we had at Philadelphia.
This one look juicy, and the cart that I'm at, it smells so good.
Yes, so let's
So good.
Another type of Philly cheese.
All right, you guys, I think I hit the Philly cheesecake jackpot. This tastes so good, so good. I just bought it on the street. So good. We're having lunch at the park. Perfect spot to eat in peace. Go, Sarah, go. Be careful. Tyler, help her. Good job. Wait for Tai Tai, Sarah. Wait for Tai Tai.
1, 2, 3.
Good job. We are on our way to the High Line. That's what it's called, right, babe? We're on our way to the High Line, but I feel so sluggish because I ate lunch and I felt
Mama, can I say something to the place? Is that on another way to the High Line, we saw a tower with a big tower with the elevator going up and down.
You want to show them it?
Yes.
All right, here we go. There we go. Look at that tower in front of us that you can, it's built with glass that you can literally see. Look how tall it is, going all the way up. I feel nauseous just looking at that elevator coming down and going up.
If every day of your life you was obligated to
take the elevator?
5 of those in 1 day.
You're funny. Sarah is napping, so baby's pushing Sarah. So let's go to the High Line to enjoy the walk and the views. Let's go. New York City. Beautiful New York. High-rise buildings, lots of noise, awesome people, good street food. New York vibe. Reach the High Line, so let's get walking. This is the journey that we're gonna do. So let's see how far it is we'll reach. Ferry coming in. Not sure where it's coming from, but it's so big. If we knew about that, it would be something nice to do. That cruise look nice, babe. That cruise look nice. So this is a view from behind us, walking along the skyline. That's what it looks like. All these high-rise buildings. It's just beautiful to look up at. And there's so many constructions going on. This one is constructing. This one is constructing. This one is constructing. New York is always developing. Now look at this building right here. Are you guys seeing that? Let me zoom up for you so you guys can see this piece. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's absolutely beautiful. Look! Ty, look, Ty! To land. So this is where the tour lifts off from. It looks like it's only stairs from where I'm standing, but I can't tell you what kind of monument it is, but it's beautiful though. Look at it, but I have no idea what it is. So if someone in the comment section know what it is, comment down below and let me know what this monument is, because I have no idea what it is. This building looks like a yacht. It's so pretty. I guess it's some luxury apartment building. It is so nice. Streets of New York. Still in the city, you guys. We're in Chinatown right now, about to meet up with Avri and Simas. I'm excited. So Avri sent me where to meet up at a restaurant, so I'm heading there right now. You guys know I don't do the late thing, so I have to make sure that we're on time. So we are a little ahead of time, which is good. So let's go see our friends, shall we? So we're gonna chill for a bit and chit chat and hopefully eat, and then we're gonna head back home. But first, let's focus on seeing our friends that we haven't seen in a while. So we passed through Chinatown and now in the Italian community, where there is lots of Italian restaurants around. So Avri gave me the address to one of these where I'm going right now. So a real Italian community. You guys, look who I have here. Simas is on his way, so you guys will see Simas in a bit. Simas should
Just us. So, you know.
But islands are like the
Simas! Sim Sim!
North Country.
She loves tickles.
You want me to do it again? Again? Run around the garden like a teddy bear. 1 step, 2 steps, tickle your head.
Where is he? C'est pas vrai. So we finished eating, the crew is behind there. Finished eating and we're going to get ice cream now. So ice cream and then off to my sister-in-law to go back to Jersey. Goody! What you goody? Goody with a good body. You guys, look at Avri. Look how petite and cute she is. I can't. Look at her. Look at her. You see? Jim's working. Jim's working. You guys tell Avri don't lose anymore weight. She's so cute. She's so adorable. She's so petite. No more weight with her lose. Just build muscles now.
You're a certified hype woman.
That's what friends are for, right? Where are we going for the ice cream? Simas, where are we going? So where are we here? Turn this way.
You guys are leading the way, like you know where you're going.
Yeah, but you and Ludo in the back.
We're talking about war. We're talking about politics.
Oh my. So we're having
In what?
ice cream.
Wafer or?
The wafer. Is it good?
It's yummy. It's a thank you, auntie and uncle, for the ice cream.
One more.
No, say thank you to Auntie Avri, please.
And that's it.
Is it good?
Say bye bye, Tata. Say miss you. Go give Tata a hug. Go give Tata a hug. Run and jump on Tata. She a back up. Say see you later. Yes, she badass. See you guys and thanks for everything. You too, honey. Bye, Ma. No problem. A day today was. That's all we can say. What a day.
A long day.
A long day. Look at this one smack in the middle. I love it. So pretty. You guys, a very long, I don't even have the words to describe today. I feel my foot tired. I told Babe from We were in the city that I need a foot massage. You forgot, you know? Forgot.
No, I forgot to know. I have no strength for that.
You hear him? That's the treatment I'm gonna get tonight. But anyway, you guys.
Tonight only.
Today's
tomorrow
vlog.
she get it.
Today's vlog is dedicated to my newfound angel, Isaac. You guys. I can't thank Isaac enough, and I'm gonna thank him again. If it wasn't for you, sir, I wouldn't have my camera back and be able to continue vlogging and capturing all these memories, and I just can't thank you enough. Thank you a million times over. I need to go give my daughter some medicine. Anyway, you guys, I'm coming on to end today's vlog. What you have to say for yourself, babe? And just as I'm talking to babe to end the vlog, my battery have no manners and die on me. So I just said, you know what, I'm topping out and go to bed. I didn't bother to change, so I'm coming on the following morning to end the vlog. So hopefully you guys enjoy our adventure of today. Very adventurous day. Thank you again, Isaac. I'll be thanking you for the rest of my life, because I'll never forget this day. I'll never forget your kindness, and I'll pay it forward just the same. And I hope we all learn a lesson from Isaac to be honest, be kind, and I'll add my words that I normally add. Be loved, stay motivated, be encouraged, be patient, catch up and keep up, and I'll definitely see you guys tomorrow. Oh, and before you go, girl, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Honesty, that's the word for today. Honesty. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for sure.